Hello friends, let us take a look at this question. So it says we have to find the value of the limit x tends to 0, x cot 4x divided by sine square x dot cot square 2x. Now, first of all, what we do, we substitute x is equal to 0, okay, in the numerator and the denominator. So let's see what we get. What kind of form is this? Okay, so when you will substitute 0, so x is equal to 0, when you will put here, this whole expression will become 0. The numerator 0 into anything is 0, right? And sine square x, so sine 0 is what? 0. So again 0 into anything, okay, will be 0. So this will also be 0. So 0 by 0 form we have, okay. So we got what is the form, so 0 by 0. So what we will do is now see what kind of limits we have. So we have what kind of terms we have. So we have sine x, we have cot x, right? So regarding, if you remember, okay, we have certain limits related to tan x, sin x, okay. So let's try, okay, and figure out how we can use those limits, okay, in this question, right? So what are those? Okay, first let us write down the formulas, okay, so that it is easy, okay, and those of you who have forgotten, okay, will also be able to remember. So limit x tends to 0, this is standard form, right? If it is sin x by x, this is 1, right? This limit we know. And similarly, we also know limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x, this is also 1, okay. So these two results we already know, and we will try to make use of these two in this question. So first of all, okay, cot 4x, cot square 2x, let's convert it into tan, okay, so that we know, okay, what is it. So limit x tends to 0, what will it be? So this will be x into cot 4x, can I write it as 1 upon tan of 4x, right? Okay. Next, sine square x, okay, this we want, so we will keep it as it is. Cot square 2x, this we can write as 1 upon tan square 2x, right? So let's write it down, 1 upon tan square 2x, okay, tan square 2x, cool. Now what we need to do is we need to use these two limits, okay. So what do we need? So first of all we have tan 4x right here. So we have tan 4x, so what we will do, we will divide by 4x, okay, both sides. So let's do that, x upon, so we have tan of 4x, so let's do 4 divided by 4x and into 4x, right? So this way this is done, okay, because now this form is same as this form. Now come to the denominator, sine square x. So sine square x means sine x whole square. So what I can do, I can do sine x upon x whole square, okay, and this x basically I'm multiplying, right, in the numerator and the denominator. So actually this is what, sin x upon x whole square, so we are multiplying x square in the numerator and in the denominator, so we have x square here, right? Okay, now come to this term, 1 upon tan square 2x. So 1 upon tan square 2x, how I can write, I can write tan, so that's basically tan 2x, right, tan 2x whole square. So tan 2x divided by 2x whole square, and we have multiplied 2x, right, we have divided by 2x, so 2x whole square. So you will multiply out in the numerator, what will come, 2x whole square, right? So it will be 4x square, so 4x square, right? So now we have this form converted, and let's quickly substitute the limits, okay, and let's find out, okay. Now it is very easy, I think, right? So let's quickly do this. Okay, so I'll just erase this part, okay. Let's, oh, 1 second, yeah, let's erase this and let's write it here, okay. What are we getting? Okay, so let's use the color green. So now we have x as it is, okay, from here, then tan 4x upon 4x, okay, limit, let's write it like this, limit x tends to 0, right? So now tan 4x, this expression will become what, this will become 1, right? Similarly this expression sin x upon x, this will become 1, this will be 1, this will be 1, and similarly tan 2x upon 2x, okay, this will become 1. Okay, so let us remove these, okay, and let us write what is the remaining part. So we have x upon 4x, okay, divided by, now in the denominator we have x square here, right, and we have 4x square in the denominator. So let us write down, so we have x square upon 4x square, right. So now what is getting cut? So x and x gets cut here, x square and x square gets cut here, and 4 and 4, so this 4 will basically go into the numerator, right? This 4 will come here. So we will have, finally what we'll have is 4 by 4, which will become 1. Okay, so this expression will become nothing but 4 by 4, and it will get cancelled, and finally what we are going to get is 1. So the answer to this question is 1, okay, which is option number D. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel.